Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this. Today I want to share with you an adventure we had on Sagesse Beach while I was out kayaking with my son. As you can see here, the water was clear, outside was really good, and there were already people out there having fun. So Karim said he wanted to go along.
Sir,
Good.
your head look real big in the video. You know. Ready for the car? I don't want me going to use it. Yeah boy, moosh! Sun hot, sun hot, sun hot. We go make a bad video. Huh? When you reach there? So you know how to use the car? You know how to use the car?
I know how to hold the I know how to hold the
Ah. Wait sir, you don't have your life jacket yet. What you know how to do? You have to hold that piece there. And then you have to hold what? You have to hold the life jacket. You better put on the little life jacket. You better put on the little life jacket. Obviously not the big one. That's what I'm on there. How to put it on? So we go burn in the sun. You ready? You don't zip the thing up. That's what I'm on, boy. The man say no. Let me see. Make a video right there. Man taking a get to zip up a life jacket, boy. You want help? Yes, family. You ready, sir? You going to yourself? Oh yeah, watch my life jacket. We there on the beach. We there on the Sagesse Beach. We go in and do some paddling. What you call the thing? Kayaking. The breeze so loud. You ready? Alright. Let's sit down in the front. The man say you know everything already, so you know. The man say you know everything already, so whatever happen, he say you know everything already. Which one longer? This man say you know everything. You could pull for yourself. The man say you pull in for yourself. Look at this man, guy. I can't even make a video. You look like you know what you're doing, right? Eh? You look like you know what you're doing, right? What is it? You look like you know what you're doing, right? You stay there. Jump in. Balance yourself, right?
Yes, a good thing of it. Huh?
Wait and jump in. Jump in. Ready? I have it. Run. Watch my paddle. Run. Balance. Sit down in the seat. Come back in the seat. Good. Balance yourself. Alright? Alright. So, right hand, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, to the right. There you go. I go again. Left, right. Boss man, you have to be pushing water, you know. You have to just move in your hand. Be in the water. Left, right. Life of a kayak. Remember you have on a life jacket. Right? So if we fall in the water for some strange reason, you could swim and you could float. Okay? And you just hold on to the kayak. Alright? You want me doing all the work, man? You gotta meet them fellas over there. There you go by that bamboo already. Watch me, watch me. Balance yourself. Sit down properly. Bring your foot a little closer. And go with me. When I go, hey, you're shaking the boat. Right, left, right, left. Hold on, we turn a little bit. We're on a braking area. Have to meet this wave and them kind of tricky. Alright? We take some speed. We go by that bamboo over there. See the bamboo? Yeah. Oh, it's shaky, right? The wave coming, just relax. You good? Can we rise over the wave? Reach the bamboo already? Yeah. Try turtle there. A turtle. These men go in a kayak race. These men go in a kayak race. So a bamboo in the water there. Who's Waki? What's the name? Waki? You did? Who win in the race there? And then gone. You want to go around the bamboo? So you're not doing no work, you have me doing all the work. Let me try. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. You're not doing anything, man. Left, right. You have to have a rhythm. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Say it, let me hear you. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Balance yourself, you're leaning back too much. So bring your foot closer towards you. You want them hold so your body could stay upright. There you go. Left, left again. Left, one more left. Alright, let's go. Right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Let me go two left. Left, left. What's that noise? Does somebody have a drone over my head? Whose drone is this? Oh yeah, so if you're watching on YouTube land, I'll give you some drone footage of the beach, which I took a while earlier. Balance yourself, listen to me. You can't be going opposite to me because you see we have to drum the waves together. Right? Yeah? We go over there and we'll come across the front of the beach. Karim the kayaker. Anyways, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Like the video. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. All of them things. It's a beautiful day. And we kayaking. Look, the drone coming back. Wait for the drone. This person drone better than mine. Bye bye drone. You know how to turn? Watch that. You just put it in and we turn.
So I wanted to give you another aerial view of the Sagesse Beach area. If you're not new to the channel, you may have seen one or two videos before. This right here, we're passing over the Sagesse Nature Center. This has been there maybe over 40 years. You can see all the way up to the playing field. But as you look on the left, you can see a whole big excavation. This used to be agricultural lands, but everything has been excavated out. I think they bought the farmers out and they're putting a massive hotel there. You can see the development is going up. There's like a multi-story building coming into play. I think they're still going up a few more stories. Maybe Continental Hotel. I'm not sure what's the name of that hotel that they're building there. But further down, there's another hotel that was just recently built. I think this one is 6 cents. Correct me in the comments if I got it wrong. But yeah, so this used to be a good boarding site with the mangroves, but there's a lot of controversy, so I don't want to get into it on this video. But basically, you see this pond there used to be a nice saltwater pond. Now it's an open channel to the sea. But I guess they created a lot of jobs. You know, there's a lot of back and forth banter between employment and the environment. So I wouldn't get into that for this video. I just wanted to show you how beautiful a day it was in Sagesse today. There were no waves. The water was calm. Well, not today, but that day. And it was really cool. There was a lot of wind, but I managed to get the audio really good for this video. But yeah, other than that, it was a lovely day. So hope you enjoyed this video. Now let's get back to some kayaking fun.
Let me see you. You're walking, sir. Okay. Down to the right. You see what them thing down the shore? Yeah. You ready to go in or you want to go more? Huh? I can't hear you. Want to go in? You get enough kayaking? Okay, watch your hold on. Turn straight. Turn straight. And we go ride a wave going in. There we go. Speed. Speed. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Left. Go. Woo-hoo! You make it right?
Yeah.
You happy now?
Yeah.
Hey.
I say I'm very happy with the flip off the boat.
No man, I had faith in you. Wow, we make it back. Hold on, let me see if I can stand up. Alright. That wasn't too bad. Look, hold on. Hold the paddle. And I go hold the car. I could lift up that whole thing for myself. Anyway. I don't make it real long. I don't make it real long like that. You see? 1 mile. Carrying a whole car. Eh? You could pull a kayak for yourself, right? You could pull a kayak for yourself. If any fall hard, boy. Bring it by the man, by the chair. Huh? Ooh. All you for you come down Sagesse. All you find staying on the land are good enough for you. You could always, I'll take out your life jacket. You could always come and get a kayak at the nature center. Very reasonable rates too. And now, ooh. When I come out and play football, I born already, you know. And then people go ask how much to do the kayak, what do you see? They have beach chair, kayak, doubles, or double kayak. Nothing, paddleboard, buggy board. Don't worry about the last part down there. What do you mean, Yan? Boy, you can't lift that, boy, lift that there. The water won't go with it. The man want to go and lift the thing for yourself. Eh? You good? With your big shark circle, high five, high five. There we go. I do enough. I could eat some lunch now. I could back my shot again. Woo! Hold on, wait. I have to make the video again because I have to make the video with the chest. With the chest. Oi! Oi!
I wash your hand, you want to
You want to come in my video? You're too small to come in my video, child. The baby want to come in the video, but no babies would be in this video. So I got to end the video here because the baby say now it's his time.